안녕하세요, 주용정입니다. 지금 베트남에 와 있고요. 방금 전에 호텔에 숙소에 짐을 풀고 이제 막 응우엔 후에라는 거리가 있어요. 굉장히 넓은 광장이고 거리인데 사실 동남아에 이렇게 넓게 광장이 많이 없어요. 거의 유일하다고 저는 생각을 해갖고 버스킹을 하기 좋지 않을까 싶어서 일단 장비 이렇게 들고 왔고요. 베트남에서 첫 버스킹이거든요. 여행은 몇 번 가봤는데 버스킹은 처음인데 한번 도전해 보도록 하겠습니다.
감사합니다. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. I'm from Korea. I sing some Korean song. If you have any request. 온종일 이렇게 손으로 겨울보다 차가운 감사합니다. I try some drama song. It's beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에 있을게. It's beautiful life. 너의 뒤에 서 있을게. It's a beautiful life. 감사합니다. Any request for?
Can you song?
아, 오케이.
Oh, thank you.
내 머리는 너무나 나빠서 너 하나밖에 난 모르고 네가 너무 보고 싶은 날에 I'm waiting for you.
Thank you so much.
내 맘이 날 바라봐줘. 아직 사랑을 모르지만 Thank you so much. 한번 감사합니다. 네. 감사합니다. 예. 네? 산다는 거? 어떤 노래지? I don't know.
안녕하세요. Hello. Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Ni.
니.
Yeah. And you?
용정.
Yongchong.
용정.
Yongchong. Okay, sorry. I can't.
You can good. You good English. You first listen my song today,
Oh,
so I'm
really?
very appreciate.
Really?
Yeah, your reaction.
Reaction.
Your is make me happy. So I'm very thank you for.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you.
We can see you.
Okay. I see you
You,
now. Spa dog.
Huh?
Spa for dog and cat.
Pop dog for cat.
Yeah.
Aha.
You didn't know about that?
Because I don't have a dog.
Oh.
Travel a lot of time. I'm not stay at my house, so I cannot take care dog.
Yeah. But do you like cat and dog?
I like poodle.
Poodle.
Yeah. What
but-
do you like?
I like all of this.
Oh.
But I like the most is cat. I
Cat?
have 2 cats and
You have 2 cats.
Yeah. 4
Ah,
dogs
2 cats.
and 4 dogs.
4 dogs.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
My parents have 2
Yeah.
and I have 2 dogs.
2 dogs.
Yeah. And I have 2 cats.
You have 2 cats.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But this looks very cute.
Okay.
This one,
Okay.
Yeah.
I will.
Yeah. Right here.
Hello. 뭐야 이게?
Okay.
Wow. Thank you.
I also want to have a vlog.
I will show you.
Yeah.
I will send you.
Ngào.
Yum.
Ngào.
Yum.
Okay. Yeah, it's too difficult. Don't care her.
냠.
No.
감사합니다. How are you today?
Let me invite you.
진짜?
Yeah. Vietnamese like to invite foreign friends on coffee.
아 진짜?
Believe me. Yeah, come on.
깜놀. 감사합니다.
What is come on in Korea? 감사합니다.
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 I just know 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Yeah, and 감사합니다.
That's all. You know all Korean. Yeah.
Do you like ice cream?
Wow. 감사합니다.
But this is durian. Do you know this?
Korean?
Yes.
I know.
Yeah,
I'll
you
try.
can try.
I'll try. Oh, yeah.
But it has a little sweet.
Sweet. Yeah. Very good. Yeah.
And I also want to
Photo?
yeah, because I'm making my vlog road to Ho Chi Minh
Oh,
City.
sure.
Yeah. Okay. Can you?
Me?
Yeah.
잠깐만. My.
Hands up. Don't worry. Oh my God! What?
Really?
Okay.
Send me. How old are you?
You can guess.
18. No?
You are a liar.
I'm not a liar.
Actually, I'm just 20.
Your
My
birthday.
Yeah, and you? How are you?
You guess.
Oh my God. 26. No.
Okay, Nyom, what you think?
Oh, so sorry. I think 24.
24, 26. 감사합니다.
Oh, I like Korean boys because they use skin. Yeah.
Your skin also good.
It's just makeup.
BB cream.
How long?
I will.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't have a plan now.
Do you have free time in which
Oh,
day is it?
yeah. Bring me somewhere.
If you want,
Okay.
where you want to go, just tell me.
I don't know anything.
I never know.
Only Onghyun or VBN. Only.
Okay, I think you. So I want to hang out with you one day. Have you go to Indonesia? You can drink coffee in the morning.
All free time. I don't have plan.
Masa
사이다 온다고?
we can get this free ticket. You can see him.
와, 오케이.
Yeah. So just
와.
3 days.
What time you want to meet in the morning?
Maybe if you want to have a fresh air, 6 a.m. Oh no, 6 a.m. Only no. 7 or 8 a.m.
Oh, really? Okay.
Vietnamese people drink morning coffee at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m.
Okay, I don't plan anything.
Now you have
now.
plans. You also so kind.
감사합니다.
This way. I want to say, don't worry, it's not a big deal. In Korean, how?
걱정 마.
걱정 마.
걱정 마.
걱정 마.
걱정 마.
걱정 마.
Yeah.
Đứa này làm gì được?
Yeah.
Lấy hộ anh 2 cái tòa nhà này đấy. Anh là dân tộc đâu?
니 착하다.
Em đứng xích.
염도 착하다.
2, 3. Dạ rồi.
안녕. Wow, so kind girl. 근데 over there. There.
What?
The buckle.
걱정 마. Do you want me?
We have a song in Korea. 그대여
그대요.
아무 걱정하지 말아요.
Too long. I
Okay.
can't.
아무
아무
걱정하지 말아요.
하지 말아요. 걱정. 걱정하지 말아요.
Very nice.
Okay.
그대여 아무 걱정하지
아무 걱정
말아요.
하지 말아요.
우리 함께
우리 함께
노래합시다.
노래합시다.
이리로 와야 되는
Okay, go, 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 go. 안녕하세요.
Hello.
Hello. What? Have you take a picture
Okay.
in this place?
Yeah, very nice. What is that building?
Oh my god. Hello. Okay.
와, 여기 예쁘다.
예쁘다.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, 예쁘다.
Here, there, and hello, and
Like,
come.
just like this. I can.
뭐야? 예쁘다. 치면 예쁘다.
예쁘다. Here.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
okay, this one.
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Okay. I have this one.
You're cute. Cute
Bye bye.
handmade.
Yeah. She also very cute too. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good night.